It's 2025. AI isn't the future anymore. It's the present. And the smartest people are already using it to build income streams online. Today, I'll show you a step-by-step method you can start right now, with no money and no experience. Think about how much time you spend online, scrolling through social media, watching short videos, consuming content that gives you nothing in return. Most people don't even realize it. Hours pass and there's nothing to show for it. But what if, instead of letting those hours slip away, you could use them to build something valuable? What if your free time became your most profitable time? Thanks to AI, that's no longer a fantasy. Tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Notion are giving everyday people the power to create, build, and earn, without needing tech skills, a big budget, or even prior experience. The truth is, AI isn't replacing everyone. It's empowering those who are ready to use it. So the real question is, are you going to scroll through another hour, or are you finally going to make it count? Here's the side hustle. Use ChatGPT to create content ideas. Design Notion templates on Canva. Sell on Gumroad. Promote on Reddit. Simple, repeatable, and scalable. Step 1. Use ChatGPT for content ideas. Step 2. Design with Canva. Step 3. Upload to Gumroad. Step 4. Share on Reddit, TikTok. You might be wondering, does this actually work? Are people really making money with this? This creator made over $2,000 in a weekend selling Notion templates on Gumroad. No team, no office, just smart use of tools. On Etsy, digital planners are being sold daily, and some sellers earn 4 to 5 figures every month. These aren't unicorns. You don't need luck or followers, you just need a laptop, free tools, and a bit of consistency. It's not easy, but it's possible. Test, learn, improve. That's how you win. If you want more AI income strategies, hit subscribe and grab the free template I linked below.